Hello, welcome to... Today, I'm looking for an American goldfinch, a common songbird named for its bright yellow summer plumage. But right now, I met my friends Cooper and Jackie at the Fountain Creek Nature Center, and we began our search with a parking lot red-tailed hawk. We spotted gadwall, black-capped chickadees, and American coots. We saw a hooded merganser.
Got like a... Oh, it stayed like a tadpole.
And northern shovelers foraged with their oversized bills. Cooper found a sparrow, and we all thought it was a Lincoln's, but it turned out to be a song sparrow. Red-winged blackbirds called from the reeds, and a turtle sat, enjoying the winter sun. We spooked a downy woodpecker, and a magnificent great blue heron sat across the pond. Unfortunately, our birding came to an end, with no goldfinch spotted. Sometimes with birding, it's more about getting out there with friends, whether or not you actually find your bird.